What is up, YouTube? This is my new E46. I got rid of the E90. No more 335. Sorry, you know, but this is what I got. This is my new E46. It's a 330i 2003. It's got some roughness to it, but it is a M Sport model. So it's got like the bumpers and you know, like, I don't know, it's nice. It's got a 6-speed manual, so it's a late 03 year one, which is super bonus. It's got sport seats. There's a rip in that one. That's okay. It's a little dirty. It's got some work. As you can see, I've got my wheels. I actually picked these up a while ago. I was planning on putting them on the E30, but the E30 is a long ways away from getting there, so I think they look really good on this, and I'm excited to show you guys. You can't see much of them right now, but yeah, I mean, it's nice. It's got some work, like I said, but I picked it up for a stinking deal. So, I don't know. It's got a little tow hitch action. It's got some wheels on it already. I'll probably just sell these and put more money into the car. I'll be repainting it. You can see the paint's a little messed up on it. It's really dirty, as is the inside. It's got a lot of filth going on and some weird ugly tint. Doesn't look too bad on camera, but trust me, it sucks. Some weird overspray. I don't know. The pillars have been dyed for some reason. It's like on the dash. I don't know. I'm gonna have to be cleaning things up, but it ain't pretty, but it's pretty good, you know. Headlights are brand new. I've ordered all new stuff. I got new trim for this, new fogs. I got a new trim ring for that. The grills I've already replaced. You can see those. I'll put a picture or a video or whatever of me swapping those out. The factory ones, the factory ones that were on here were all broken into chunks and everything, and I just ripped them out and bought these for like 30 bucks. So those are on, and the headlights have been refinished already. Like, the lenses have been replaced by the previous owner, but it's not too bad, you know. I can't complain. It has a limited slip supposedly. I don't know, I haven't tested it quite yet. It's got a chopped off exhaust. Yeah, I think that's funny. Not my taste, but hey, we'll do something about it. That silly little tow hitch, that's gotta go. I don't know, unless drift week, you know. But it's got, I don't know, you can't see much, but you can see it's got some cheap coils on it, you know, some coilovers. Clearly it's lower than a factory M Sport. Hey, I can't complain. I got headers on the way. Those will be here soon. Hopefully I'll be posting a video, maybe with this video, with the headers being installed and everything. I'm helping a buddy with his Camaro the other day. We're doing a nitrous install, so we'll be doing that. But this is the 330i. Not XI. I don't care. I live in Utah. I don't need all-wheel drive. Well, here we are. This is the E46 in all of its deep glory. You can see the paint is just terrible on this thing, but hey, that fitment though. It's got some love that it needs here, but that's okay. I can't be too mad at it really. I'll sand her down and give it a good paint job, and it'll be all right. We got these wheels fitted up on here. I need to get the center caps glued in. The clips are broke on them, they're kind of old. The fender's not perfect, but you know, I had to cut it to fit, and even then we still rub. That's okay though. But this is where we're at, you know. This is a starting point. It's already gotten a lot better since I put the wheels on, and the header sounds great. She's dirty, dirty, dirty. I need to clean the inside of here. But those wheels, man. Need to get some alloy wheel polish. Not too bad though, not right now. They're okay, they're pretty clean still. Jeez. I don't know how much we can see of the header install. Maybe not. I don't know if we can even get down there. Huh? I don't know if we can see it, but it's got her header on. It sounds really good. I'm sure I'll include clips of that. A freaking mess, but hey, I might have a job here today, so we'll find out. Fingers crossed. It's a work in progress, you know. We're finding things out, figuring things out.